There are some cases you never really forget, and one of them involved cooking oil. A baby came in struggling to breathe, and the family had no idea the thing causing it was something they thought was helping. In many homes, people give infants cooking oil for constipation, colic, or traditional remedies. And most of the time, it's done with good intentions. But what many people don't realize is that oil can accidentally enter a baby's lungs. And when that happens, it can cause something called exogenous lipoid pneumonia. Now, exogenous lipoid pneumonia happens when oils or fats enter the lungs from outside the body. Normally, if something goes down the wrong pipe, the body coughs it out. But oils behave differently. They can spread deep into the airways, sometimes without triggering enough coughing. Once inside the lungs, the body struggles to remove them. Inflammation develops, the air sacs begin to malfunction, and oxygen exchange becomes difficult. Infants are especially vulnerable. Their swallowing coordination is still developing. Even a small amount of oil can accidentally be aspirated. And sometimes the symptoms don't appear immediately. A baby may seem fine at first, then gradually develop coughing, fast breathing, or low oxygen levels. The symptoms can look very similar to ordinary pneumonia. You may see coughing, wheezing, fever, chest indrawing, poor feeding, or difficulty breathing. Some babies become critically ill, and some require oxygen or intensive care. Now, this is important. Most parents who do this are not trying to harm their children. Usually they were taught by someone they trust. A parent, a grandparent, a neighbor. And in many communities, these practices have existed for generations. But medicine evolves, and sometimes things that sound harmless can become dangerous in infants, especially when it comes to the lungs. If a baby is constipated, uncomfortable, or unwell, avoid giving cooking oil, paraffin, or oily substances by mouth, unless specifically advised by a medical professional, like myself. Instead, continue breastfeeding. Monitor the child closely and seek proper medical assessment. And if a child develops breathing problems after being given oil, please seek urgent medical care immediately. Some of the most dangerous things are the things people think are harmless. Exogenous lipoid pneumonia is preventable, and awareness can save lives. I'm Doc Brock, and if you want real medical stories, practical health education, and honest conversations from the front lines of medicine, subscribe and share this video with someone who cares for children.